Hi everyone. Happy to see that everyone made it through week one and we are ready to push forward in week two. Just want to give you a quick rundown on the week two materials. Remember, you click on modules and then you'll see week two. If you go into week two overview, this will take you to the very beginning where you can see everything that's going on for the week. You'll notice here that your personal SWOT analysis is due on the very first day. So this is a quiz and it's due the very first day. So that will be on Tuesday. We have Understanding Yourself, which is a discussion forum. It's due on day 3, so that is Thursday. Writing Matters, we have another quiz. So this week, notice we have 2 quizzes and only 1 discussion forum. And then we have our Strengths and Opportunities for Improvement, which is due by Monday. Okay, your learning outcomes, you can go through this. These are your goals, what you are expected to know by the end of week 2, and then the introduction into the week. Go back. And then your resources. Remember, the resources are all of the required and optional readings and videos for you. Your weekly lesson is set up for you right here if you click on weekly lesson. And then this is, welcome to the week, and then a little bit about the quiz and what you're going to expect. So you're going to prepare for the quiz by going over the personal SWOT analysis. And then this is the information for the discussion question that you have this week about understanding yourself using the personal SWOT analysis that you completed for the quiz. And then your second quiz is on Writing Matters. And you'll notice that you can learn more about this by clicking on the Writing Center, which will take you here. And then the last part is your assignment, which is Strengths and Opportunities. So there's a little video for you to watch, and here's your lesson here that you're going to go through. And then you upload it into Waypoint. And then here's the lesson for you. Our weakness is the same as opportunities. There's some things for you to click on as you go through. And then your checklist is at the bottom just to make sure that you're on task. Remember that I don't recommend that we wait until the last day to turn in any of our work. It's important that you try to push forward early on in the week in case something comes up and you're unable to do the assignments on that last day. So you might want to try to take a look a little bit sooner if possible. Okay, going back to week 2. You'll click on quiz 1 to take your personal SWOT analysis quiz with this one. And then here's your discussion forum. You're going to want to make sure that this is completed by Thursday. They want you to read chapter 4 first and then read week 2 lesson. And then you can reflect on this information before you start to put together your writing. Remember, I said before, if you have all of these bullets, you want to make sure that you're speaking to each one of these points. It's good if you can separate them by the bullets when you're responding to them so that I don't miss anything when I'm grading using the rubric. Make sure that you're responding to 2 of your peers by day 7. Again, if you can do it sooner, that would be great. And then these are the questions that you should be, or the responses that you should be using when you're replying to your peers. Simply just stating, you agree or good post or something like that is not enough. You do need to include those things that were just pointed out to you. And then week 2, quiz 2, that is on writing. So remember that you'll click on this and it's all about the Writing Center, which is right here. And there's also a link for it in the assignment. And then week 2 assignment is listed for you here. This is based on strengths and opportunities for improvement. You'll read through it. How to prepare before you do your assignment. It tells you the things you need to review. Of course, we want to take a look at the rubric because I grade directly off of the rubric. And then always, always, always open up the week 2 model assignment. This is your example of what your work should look like. Okay. And then as you scroll down, it says, right, this is the information. So here it says, in a paper, 2 pages in length, write about the following. Be sure to add details, explanations, and examples. Now there's a few different bullet points here, so you're going to want to make sure that you're hitting all of them. It says in one paragraph, you're going to restate the 2 SMART goals. So in week 1, you're going to write your 2 SMART goals. I will give you some tips on it. If I ask you to improve on those, please make sure that you improve before you move on to week 2. Describe your intrinsic and extrinsic motivation for pursuing each of those goals. So you're going to have two paragraphs. Paragraph 1 will restate both of your goals, and paragraph 2, it says in one paragraph, but you're going to have two bullets to describe your motivation here. And then here you're going to have your 3 strengths using 1 to 2 paragraphs, and you'll follow these bullets here. Make sure you're giving examples. And then 3 areas of opportunity. Again, it can either be 1 or 2 paragraphs. There's 1 bullet here, but it does expect some examples. So I'll let you be the judge of that. It does not have to be 2 full paragraphs in order to get the credit, as long as you're responding to all of the information that it's asking for. And then when you're finished, remember that you're going to upload it into Waypoint. And then a part of this assignment is also adding it to your folio. So you want to make sure that you do that as well. I hope everyone has a great week too. If you need me, please be sure to reach out. Thank you.